Welcome to the Commerce Co-op program. We're Management Career Services, and we're here to provide you career development services and work-term support throughout your time at Dalhousie University. You made a smart choice enrolling in a co-op program. By gaining relevant experience before graduation, you will enter the workforce with an impressive resume and gain confidence and many transferable skills to leverage for the rest of your career. Grads agree that work-integrated learning makes it easier to transition from school to successful career. 92% of 2025 Commerce Co-op grads actively seeking employment were employed within 6 months of graduation. As for current students, last year's Commerce Co-op students collectively earned millions of dollars, and many received a high rating from their co-op employer.
Hello from RBC, this is Tenzin Zongdo from the Early Talent team. We just celebrated International Intern Day here at RBC. We have over 1,500 students with us this summer, gaining meaningful work experience, as well as building their network. And testing us out, is RBC a place for them? I'm happy to confirm that 98% of our interns have stated they want to return to RBC, and this includes DAL students, and we hope to see you here for your next internship. Finally, I'll leave this tip from the Early Talent team. Apply early to our jobs that are posted 4 months in advance of each work term.
Whether you have an idea of which industry you'd like to pursue or plan on using your co-op work terms to figure that out, MCS is well connected to employers across industries, sectors, and locations. No matter which career path you choose, the MCS team has the resources and services you need to become career ready. You will be assigned a career and recruitment specialist you can meet with for resume feedback, interview practice, industry expertise, and more. MCS also has resources you can access on our website and Brightspace. And keep an eye on the My Career event calendar for employer info sessions and networking events. Stay up to date by following us on Instagram and LinkedIn and by reading our weekly e-newsletter.